Here I am. This is day 1. We consider day 0 the day of the trip, the plane, the flight, you know. So now I'm here. This is close to Soto del Barco, which is near the Oviedo airport, and I'm going for the hiking right now. This is an amazing place. Look at this. What I found is also that this is very close to the Path of Santiago, Camino de Santiago, which was a path that I dreamed about walking when I was, I don't want to say younger, but let's say like 20 years ago. Look at this, and this is the river, the Nalón. So I am going towards the sea right now because my goal for today is to meet the ocean. Okay, let's go then. Okay, here I am. I've been walking for around 1 hour and something. I also had lunch on a bench with the view of the river. And now I join the place where the river and the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, become one. So that is the place from where I come, and here we go. That's the ocean. I feel that for moments like these, we can simply stare without saying a word. Living my dream. Let's go to meet the ocean. Contemplating the beauty of this place and the thing that if we came here 200 years ago, this place was, maybe it was the same. But another thing that I've noticed is that people here stay naked on the beach. This amazing view, it feels like, I don't know, a tropical island or something like that. The thing is that I was on the beach and I was like daydreaming. I started chit-chatting with a man who was there, and and thanks to him, he said, okay, be aware of the tide. So the thing is that when I arrived at the beach, of course, the tide was very low. But then the tide comes up and you cannot go back for the same route. So I had to take another one. I'm actually climbing, but look at this. This is amazing, oh my goodness. So everything is perfect because like this I can see this amazing view. How amazing is this world. And the weather is just perfect as well because it's much fresher right now. Oh, my goodness, just wanted to share this because keep dancing with the perpetual eternal movement, and be open to what can come to you. Even better things can come to us when we stay open and when we keep this amazing state of being. Okay, I keep going now. Oh my goodness, look at this. I feel like I'm inside a movie. Yes, the movie that I am scripting about as the director of my life.